Hi everyone, today just arrived my G Skill memory. It's the TridentZ, it's DDR4 3300 CL14. Yes, it's 14 CAS. Here is the code 16GTZ. It's made in Taiwan, and if I'm not mistaken, these are Samsung B dies, which are very good with Ryzen builds, on which I will be using it. Let's get to the DIMMs themselves. As you can see, these are high profile. Here is a G Skill sticker. Let's see if we can open. So these are the actual memories. This is first time I'm touching DDR4 because I currently own these are pretty hefty heatsinks, because I currently own an Haswell and Haswell usually they were coming with DDR3. Here is a little bit of wobble. But they're looking pretty well. Nothing to complain. Really heavy kit. The LEDs counterparts of these, instead of the red accent, they're actually LEDs, but I'm not into LEDs, and I will actually disable on my motherboard as well. So thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.